How to fix no audio device is installed problem on your Windows 10 11. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also facing such issue, then first thing what you need to do is just head over to your search bar and just search in for control panel at the first method. So once you head over to your control panel, just click on this sound button over here, sound option, select it. So once you open it, you can see there's an option called playback, and just make sure it's on speakers or microphones and just click on its properties. So if there's any other, just make sure it's on speakers. So once you click on properties, you can see there's an option called labels. So always make sure it's over 80 from over here, and just click on apply and click on OK. Make sure you can do that. And once you do that, next thing what you want to do is just search in for device manager from the search bar, just like this. And once you're searching for that, you just have to wait for a few seconds. Now simply select this audio inputs output section and make sure to update it manually, just like this. So let me quickly update it just like this by right clicking and update the driver from over here, and click on source automatically for the driver. And you can do both, same for the both of these choices. And once you are done with all of those devices inside audio, now just head over to sound option for the video games or controller section and enlarge it, and make sure any driver, you can also try uninstalling them from over here one by one. So basically just select the driver which is not working or any driver and uninstall them one by one, just like that. And once you do all of that, just don't forget to restart your PC. So you can also actually check out the system devices and related to the audio, just like this. And whichever driver is not working, just uninstall it one by one. And finally restart your PC, and all of the drivers will be successfully reinstalled once the PC runs. So the third method involves with services. You can basically search in for services, or you can also search it from the tab task manager, and make sure you have searched for Windows audio and make sure it's running properly. So you can actually check it out by heading over to its properties and make sure it's on automatic, and click on apply, make sure it's running, and okay. So once you do all of that, finally click or search for Realtek audio services, just like this. And just like that, just right click on it, click on its properties, and make sure it's on automatic, and click on starts if it's not running already, and click on apply and click on OK. So once you do all of that, another method involves regarding the Windows update itself. So you can finally click on Windows update and search in for that as well. And once you're inside here, make sure your Windows is updated, because it might fix any bugs regarding it. And it will also automatically download any new drivers if available. So you can also actually click on this optional updates and just manually search in for any audio tech related softwares or drivers from over here, and just click on it to install it for the next download and install button as well. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.